There are money mistakes so serious that they have already destroyed thousands of people, and you may be making one of them right now. Deadly mistake 1. Spending more than you earn. It seems basic, but it's the bottomless pit that swallows entire families. Deadly mistake 2. Living solely on credit. Accumulated debt has bankrupted people who seemed wealthy on the outside. Deadly mistake 3. Postponing investments. Those who always think, one day I'll start, never build anything. Deadly mistake 4. Not having an emergency fund. An illness or a layoff has already been the end of the financial lives of thousands. Deadly mistake 5. Trusting any promise of easy money. Schemes and scams have already sucked up entire fortunes. Deadly mistake 6. Not learning about finances. Ignorance is one of the most costly mistakes there is. These are just a few, but there are dozens of mistakes that seem small and end up destroying the financial lives of ordinary people every day. If you want to stay up to date and avoid stress, subscribe to this channel to receive updated information and tips.